Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 27 Lexus ES350. This one is a white pearl. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 268 horsepower. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. A brown leather interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our ES350 badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats. This one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, nice wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, you've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, automatic transmission. This ES350 has 23,050 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus ES350, check out feldmanimports.com.